Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss about uh, the student visa interview questions. I have prepared around 35 questions, and I am very sure that this would help you to prepare for your visa interview for Germany. So let us start without any further delay. Why do you want to study in Germany? Question number 1. Answer: Germany is famous for having high quality and best academic and practice oriented education system. Germany has to offer their students high quality study programs with low tuition fee or no tuition fee at all. Germany is safe to study with lot of freedom, security, rich culture, and I will have chance to interact with students from different countries, which will enhance my personal growth. Number 2, why this city? You will answer, I have chosen this university based on my preference, of course. I wanted to pursue, and incidentally, it is located in such and such city, which will give me chance to explore further while actually living in this city. Number 3, why did you choose this course? Is it relevant to your previous study? The answer to this, it relates to my previous studies. You can also say that the ranking of university and quality of course, practice orientation, and alumni, etc., are some of the reasons that I have chosen this course. In case you are going for another field, then explain your interest in new field, that why you have gone for a new field, and you will explain that why your new course will fulfill your expectations for the studies. Your question number 4, why did you choose this university and how did you find about it? Answer: explain how do you got information about the university you are about to study, and let them know what made you decide on this. This is your own story, so you please narrate your own story, that how did you come to know about this university. Very appealing, one of the reasons could be very appealing program for international students, great internship opportunities, non-expensive study course, the excellent academic staff and faculty. Number 5, question number 5, isn't this course offered by any other university or college in your country? You will answer, you will highlight the difference in study, quality and course structure between Germany and with that in your own country. You will say Germany has excellent studying infrastructure in terms of gaining practical experiences, and this will add to my future career growth. Question number 6, which are the other universities you have applied to? Answer: you tell them the names. You can say, I am satisfied with the admission in my current university and I am looking forward for my enrollment in studies. Number 7, why do you want to study in Germany and not in Canada or USA? Answer to this will be, Germany competes with other countries as first class quality practice oriented and internationally oriented study programs, but as of the low cost or no cost studies, it is more affordable and feasible compared to other countries like USA or Canada. Number 8, can you tell some facts about your university? For this, answer is, make a summary. Who was the founder? In which year your university was founded? The main study fields, number of innovations and eminent personalities of the university, number of yearly enrollment. All this information you should carry with you by going through the university website. Question number 9, knowledge about Germany. Name any tourist places in Germany and why they are famous. Answer is, Germany has lot of museums, national parks, castles, Berlin Wall, and country's top attractions. In short, you can say. Number 10. Do you know German? You are expected to know German of upper basic level B1. In case your medium of instruction is German, then tell them your level of knowledge you possess. Question number 11. How many borders does Germany have and which countries? Answer. 9 neighboring countries: Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, France, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Poland, and Switzerland. Question number 12. How many states are there in Germany and can you name some of them? Answer. 16 federal states. Few are Baden-Württemberg, Bavaria, Berlin, Brandenburg, Bremen, Hamburg, North Rhine-Westphalia, Rhineland-Pfalz. Information about future studies in Germany. Question number 13. What is the duration of your course? Answer. Tell them number of semesters, starting date, ending date. Question number 14. What is the scope of your course? Answer. Tell them the department, name, and subject of studies. Name of study program, course name, and the objective of course. Question number 15. What is the course structure? Answer. Study methodology, number of semesters. Question number 16. In which university you are going to study? What is the location of your university? Answer. Name of university you will tell and the name of city. Practice to pronounce and spell correctly. Question number 17. What is the course study start date? Answer. From your admission letter you will give the exact dates. Question number 18. What will be the total cost of studies per year? Answer. Total sum of your tuition fee of entire course. Question number 19. What is the name of course? Answer. Just name like biology, law, information technology, etc. Question number 20. Can you name some of the modules of your course? Answer. Mention the names of some of the modules. Question number 21. Is the course completely in English? Answer. Mostly international programs are taught in English. You must be sure about language of instructions of the course and tell that honestly. Question number 22. What is the intended travel date? Answer. Travel date match with the air tickets and must be prior to enrollment date. Next is current academic and skills level. So we come to question number 23. What was your latest academic degree taken? When you received it, who issued it? Answer. Be aware and exact while answering. Question number 24. What was your grade point average GPA received at the end of such studies? You have to give the latest GPA grading from your latest studies. 25. Question number 25. IELTS score. Just results of IELTS score like 7.5, 8.5 or whatever. Don't go in details. Question number 26. What have you done since your latest graduation? Answer. You have to show you were busy in with preparing for higher studies, learning new language skills, exploring career opportunities in case you were not engaged with some job, etc. Then comes current and future financial status. Question number 27. How are you going to fund your education? Answer. You might be using your own money, blocked bank account. Somebody is sponsoring you, father, someone in Germany, a study loan or a scholarship. 28. How much money is available for your stay in Germany? Answer. Proof to cover your living and study cost. Give number that should be realistic, in line with cost of study and living supported by needful documentation. Question number 29. Who is sponsoring your education? How much do they earn in a year? Answer is tell the relationship father, sister, brother, or else. Their job and annual salary. Show the supporting document at the time of interview. Question number 30. Who all are your earning members in family? Answer. Name the members with job positions. If asked their employer's name, then you be prepared to give their answers. 31. How much you will be able to earn after completing your studies? Answer. Title of the job potentially you are fitting into and expected salary package when you come back to India after completion of course, or you can say you have a business plan or a business idea. Question number 32. Common information about your study field. You should have a names of researchers, innovations, or role models of Germany like Albert Einstein, Alan Guth, James Watson, etc. Question number 33. Where will you study in Germany and about accommodation? You have to say, you have to tell them about your private accommodation or your student residence hall, youth hostel, flat store, or your university can also help you to find the accommodation. Next is relationships with people living in Germany. Question number 34. Do you have any relatives in Europe or in respective country of Europe? Then answer is mention close relatives, family, close relatives like brother, sister, father, and mention where they live or have they lived there. Then they will ask about what are your holiday plans, like holidays or semester break. The question is, what do you plan to do during your vacations? Answer, get back to my own country, reunite with family members during semester break. They can ask upon your future plans. Question, what are your future plans? Answer, display your interest to come back and show your interest to start a career in your home country in the job position or start a business. Question number 37. Have you researched your career prospects? Answer, show your interest to come to your home country and pursue a career related to your field of studies. You have researched that there is a plenty of gap for qualified people in your field in your home country. Next, tips for attending students interview. Number 1. Appearance and behavior must represent the best part of you. Be on time a few minutes earlier. Greet all the staff. Outfits comfortable like shirt and pants. Formal confidential look. All needed documents in original and a copy well organized documents checked and rechecked. And in last, answer directly and honestly. All answers to be in line with the document you offer. Be short, direct, and simple. Good luck to you. I hope this video would help you in preparing for the visa interview. Keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much and best of luck.